So guys, it's one of those videos where I'm just gonna sit down and talk about life, how everything's been in the past 8 months now, the year 2026. Went into this year with really big goals, and I'm grateful and fortunate and happy to say that these goals have been mostly accomplished, right? I remember I wanted to do my first $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 profit month. Made it happen up till now. And with my Amazon business, I want to get into wholesaling. We're now officially into wholesaling. We got the warehouse, which is something I've always talked about when I first started my Amazon journey. Matter of fact, I documented my whole Amazon journey on my Instagram, so you can go back and stalk me if you want and see how I've always talked about having the things, or one day I'm going to have the things that I currently have. My dreamy car, crazy record profit months for myself, and a warehouse, and a thriving business, and most importantly, how I'll be surrounded with those like-minded people who are pushing me to be better every single day. And one of the biggest goals, if not the biggest goal, get closer with the Lord himself, right, with my religion and everything. And it's been great. Life has been amazing, and I feel so fortunate to be able to live this life where I don't have to worry about having to clock in for a job, or have to worry about making X amount of money within like 8 hours of my day, but rather my worries, my stresses are over a business that I own. And not just any business, a multi-six-figure business that I'm running at 21 years old, 2 of them, matter of fact. And I'm grateful because a year ago today, I wouldn't be able to do the things that I do now. A year ago today, I wouldn't be able to give back to my parents, give back to my loved ones, explore the country, explore the world, work from anywhere, from wherever and whenever I want. I was stuck working a job that I had to show up to every single day from 6 a.m. till 3, 4, 5, 6 p.m. No matter what day it was, whatever I had to do, I was under a strict schedule, under a boss, under a salary, under a pay, hourly pay. And now I can go ahead and make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in sales through my Amazon business every single day, and at the same time make anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000 in profit from my consulting business. And this is something that not just anyone can do. You learn a skill, you master a skill, and you sell the skill. That's how you make money. Sales, you hear about all the time. Car sales, door-to-door sales, right? Insurance sales, it's everywhere. So nowadays in the digital world, you have to adapt, right? You adapt to what's going on, to the trends, to what's working, or else you get left behind in the past. You get left behind and you don't scale, you don't grow, and you don't reach the goals you want to make. And I think why I've been so successful in under a year and a half is because I've put myself in very uncomfortable situations. I invested into multiple mentors in the span of a year. So far this year, I've dropped roughly around $20,000, $25,000 into information, into mentorships, to learn more and take myself to the next level. And on top of that, not just mentorships or investments, but taking risks. I've put myself in a position where now I have a crazy expense every month of $8,000 in rent with my warehouse. But that puts me in the situation to make more money. I'm not going to be comfortable and be like, okay, sure, I'm making $20,000 profit a month, $30,000 profit a month if the month is good, right? I can afford it, but now I need to know. I need to find out a way to make that $8,000 additionally more into my income. My goal for the next 5 months is to be making 100K months profit within the next 5 to 6 months. Does it sound crazy? Sure. It sounds fucking absurd, right? Going from 30 to 100K in 6 months. But I'm going to make it happen. And I'm documenting everything. Just like I'm going to document how me going to 150K sales, or I'm not talking profit, I'm talking about sales with my Amazon business. It's going to happen. And the reason why I've been able to do all this is not just because I'm uncomfortable, right? It's also because I believe it. The power of the mind is so huge, it's so big, that if you genuinely want it bad enough, you're going to get it. You're going to find a way to make it happen. You're going to find a way to make it into reality, to make it happen into existence, right? Talk to any successful person out there, they're going to tell you the same thing. You got to believe it before you even have it. You got to truly believe it before you even make it happen in front of your eyes. You put in the work every single day, you're gonna get the outputs sooner or later, whether that's in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you're gonna fucking make it happen. And the reason why I go at it so hard every single day, why I wake up every single day knowing that I have to make it happen, is because I know if I don't put in the work, then someone else is gonna put in the work. Someone else is gonna outcompete me. And I don't wanna be the one getting outcompeted. I'm gonna be the one that outcompetes everyone out there. I'm gonna be the best at my niche because I want it more than you do. Simple. I get the stuff that I want because I work for it every single day. I believe it. You gotta be so delusional. You gotta be so crazy, right? To make it happen. What a normal person who's comfortable, who's living life on easy mode, you think they'd be able to go from making $2,000 to $3,000 a month to making $30,000 a month in less than a year? No, right? Because they're not willing to take the risk, to put in the extra effort they have to every single day to be that version of themselves making $30,000 a month. And I apologize for all the sweating and everything. It's genuinely super hot out here. It's a very humid day out here in Virginia. But besides the point, I mean, the point is that I give it my all because there's people that depend on me, right? Another reason why I go at it every single day is because I have people who depend on it. People who depend not on me right now, but on my future self. That version of myself that's even 10 times more successful than what I am right now. I have these visions, I have these goals that they're not gonna happen by themselves. I gotta make it happen. And if I don't, then I can't set up my family for life. All it takes is one person to change your whole trajectory of your life, of your bloodline, right? Think about it this way, Rockefeller, he did it. He did it back then. He's the one who changed the whole trajectory of his life. So why can't you do it? Why can't I do it, right? Stuff like that. There's millions and millions of people out there putting in the work, but very, very few of them are actually gonna make it happen because it takes a certain kind of person to really, 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 really get obsessed with it and make it fucking happen. And if you're watching this, I'm just kind of going all over the place, but it's just one of those videos where I just want to kind of talk about how I'm feeling right now. I'm stressed. I'm a little bit fucking scared too for what's to come because I know I have to invest at least over $150,000 in capital within the next 6 months to get to where I want to get. But I'm willing to take the fucking risk because it's going to take me to the next level. And it's what's going to determine me from 90% of the other people who are playing it safe, right? Who just want to live comfortably. No, fuck no. I'm going to fucking make it happen. And this is proof, this documentation I'm leaving up here on YouTube so I can come back and sit down again 6 months later with the shit I've made happen, with the shit I've accomplished. I'm going to hit those 100K months with my consulting business. I'm going to hit those 150K months in sales with my Amazon FBA business. I'm going to get my mom her dream car. I'm going to give back to my dad. I'm going to do it all because I know I can fucking make it happen. And so can you. You're watching this video and you're thinking to yourself, I want to change my life. Bro, my fucking life changed like this in under 1 fucking year. My life changed like this because I decided to just get up and take responsibility that if I don't do anything, then nothing's going to change. Because what do you have to lose? Worst case, you invest into yourself and yeah, you take the risk. And sure, okay, you didn't get to where you want to get, but at least you learned a whole new value of skill set that can help you down the line, right? At least you can say you tried. 90% of people out there can't ever say that. They're too scared to even fucking start, which is why they live like everyone else. So it's something you got to ask yourself. Do you want to be average and live the rest of your life in regrets or in what ifs? Or do you want to do it now, take the risk now when you can afford to, when you're young, when you don't have much responsibilities, and make it happen? What do you want to do? It shouldn't be that hard, right? I won't keep this video crazy long. The whole point of this video is just to document, right? You guys probably are like, this guy talks about everything and anything. Just keep it here. If you guys want to learn more about what I do, how I've managed to change my life like this, and how we change other people's lives with the same thing that we do, Amazon FBA, then I'll drop my second YouTube channel down below. I have some videos up on this channel as well, and my socials down below. If you're serious about taking your Amazon FBA business to the next level, 10K, 20K, 30K in sales every single month, then we have our application down below where you can apply. If you're a good fit, then we'll go ahead and work together. If not, that's fine. We can go ahead and point you in the right direction. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, comment, subscribe. This whole channel isn't for education purposes. This whole channel is for documentation and to show you guys that my life's gonna go from here to here. Think I'm crazy? I don't give a fuck. I make anything I want happen because I want it bad enough.